Good morning, y'all. Grateful for another beautiful day. Here we are on a Tuesday, waiting for the 10 a.m. news. We got the CB Consumer Confidence coming up at 10 a.m. Tomorrow we got 10 a.m. news as well. Thursday we got 8:30 and 10 a.m. news. And Friday we got 8:30 news. So this week, the rest of the week is pretty much stacked. All right. So watch out. There's a lot of landmines. But right now, let's look at the charts. We are gonna dig into NQ because I'm charting on NQ and trading on MNQ. Okay. Right now, this is what I see. We are currently in a market maker sell model. Price tick liquidity came down, market structure shift, accumulation, distribution. Price is coming back up into internal range liquidity to send price down lower. All right. I'm not sure how low it will go, but we could see price come all the way down to this area of accumulation, right? We could. I'm not saying that it will, right? I'm just saying we could. And on the 4-hour chart, that's right around here. Okay. So we could see price come down to rebalance up to here or down here to send price up higher. All right. I'm not sure where or how or when. It's just what I'm seeing right now. Okay. So be vigilant, be open-minded. I'm going to be looking for shorts because we are in a market maker sell model. So we could see price head up to 148, 2148 in the next couple of days and then come back down and actually plummet. But, anything is possible. We're going to be very fluid and vigilant. I have 5 funded accounts that I'm trading. Right here next to PDLL, which is personal daily loss limit. This is customized. I can only lose 145 on this and it'll lock me out. On this account, I can only lose 155. On this account, I can only lose 100 on the daily. Same with this one. This one, I can lose 240 because I'm up in the green. All right, so my personal daily loss limit is dynamic. It is not static. Dynamic meaning that it'll change with the balance and the max loss limit. All right. So, yep. Stay tuned. So right now, price swept this high. Okay. So this high is previous session NYC PM high. Price swept that. It looks like, price had also taken out previous day's lows right down here. So it looks like we may be heading up for the time being into an internal range liquidity area on the higher time frame. I'm not too sure actually. So I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see what price does because it looks like price definitely took out previous day's lows, displaced up, and rebalanced, came down for an entry to send price up higher. So I am thinking that we may be headed up higher, but we'll see. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna see what price does, and yeah, let's just see what happens. All right, you're gonna see me trade 4 accounts here. Couple of them I waited for price to come down into that area right there where I broke that high, and I was going to take it up to another high right there. It eventually hit, but a lot of fear set in. Even though it was a red folder news day, price wasn't moving as I had expected it to move. Basically, price would go up, take out a high, and come back down and stop me out, or it would come back down and take out another low that I thought that was protected. So I was getting a little emotional there. Basically, a lot of fear set in, and I didn't know what was going on. I was feeling a little bit of revenge trading, but I was able to clear my mind and continue to trade. So as y'all can see, I took some trades that I probably shouldn't have taken. Some of them were chases. The other ones were better entries, but yeah, price actually hit my target and I was able to make some money on 4 accounts. I was able to manage my risk very well due to the risk settings that I had enabled. Again, my risk is dynamic. It is not static. So my risk amount will change based on if I win a trade or lose a trade. Okay. So that's the way that I'm going to continue to trade moving forward. And it's working out pretty well. I actually only want to trade once a day, but if I see a trade going the opposite way, then I'm going to close it out short and I'm going to try again with that same account with the same risk amount. I'm actually unsure with what happened to the recording. I thought I was recording, but I entered that trade and I took profit there. You're going to see me try to enter another short, and I did, but it wasn't recorded. It was, I don't know what's going on, technical difficulties. All right, performance stats. On one funded account, we did 385.60. My risk was 145. On the next funded account, we did 352.78. Risk was 160. And on this account, this is the one that I messed up on yesterday that I notated in the community section. So my risk amount was 100 because my max loss limit was 2,000 and I lost 1,000 yesterday. So 2,000 minus 1,000 is 1,000 and 10% of 1,000 is 100. Okay, so that's the calculation on my risk. We did 165. So we did about 1.5 R on this one and we did 1.5 R on this one. This is the account that I lost 236.20 on. This is the one where I entered an inverse fair value gap on the 2-minute chart and it came back down and stopped me out. So this is the one trade and done. Locked me out at 236.20 loss. I was only risking $240 per position per day on this one. So tomorrow I'm actually going to be risking 140, about 140 on this one. Let me know in the comments below how y'all did today. Today was a pretty difficult trading day, but let me know if y'all took a win or if y'all took a loss. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. I am aiming for a payout, so hopefully that'll come soon. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.